Here's a look at today's assignment. The learning targets are, I understand that ratios can be used to enlarge and reduce figures while keeping their same shape. I can write ratios in situations that don't include shapes, which is what we'll focus on today. And I can explain how two ratios are equivalent. This slide we're going to do together as a class. And the last two slides you have to complete. It says Trey correctly spelled 60% of the words on her last spelling test. How many words did she spell correctly for each word that she spelled wrong? That is, what is her ratio of correctly to incorrectly spelled words? So we know that percent means out of 100. So we're going to look at this as 60 out of 100 she got correct. So if it's out of 100, that means she must have had 40 incorrect. So our ratio would look 60 to 40. And if you wanted to simplify that, it could be 6, terrible at writing on Jamboard, to 4. So that gives you an idea of how to write that first one out. Lewis spelled 3 words correctly for every one that he spelled incorrectly. So you have to figure out, did Lewis do better than Trey on the test? And the last slide, Richie and Bethany play basketball and practice shooting free throws after school. During one practice session, Richie attempted 15 free throws, which means he made 15 throws and he made 12 of them. Write a ratio comparing the number of free throws he made to the number that he missed. So he made 12 of them. How many did he miss?